Vanguard Personal Advisor Services Robo-Advisor Honest Review. Watch before using. You won't believe how much better your financial results can be with proper guidance. And that's where Vanguard Personal Advisor Services comes in. Vanguard Personal Advisor Services is a hybrid robo-advisor that combines automated investing with access to real human financial advisors. Here's what most people get wrong. They think robo-advisors have no human support. Vanguard gives you real certified advisors who help build your plan. Your portfolio is built using low-cost Vanguard funds, which helps keep fees lower over time. The service includes goal planning, automatic rebalancing, and ongoing advisor check-ins. However, the surprising truth is that there is a minimum balance requirement to use this service. Vanguard Personal Advisor Services is best for investors who want both automation and human guidance. The surprising truth is that disciplined investing builds long-term wealth. Vanguard supports that discipline. If you want professional advice at a lower cost than traditional advisors, Vanguard is worth serious consideration. Subscribe to the channel for more investing platform reviews and wealth building tips.